Hello everyone, and welcome to this fun and easy crochet coaster tutorial. Coasters are perfect little projects. They're quick to make, super practical for protecting your surfaces, and a great way to add a handmade touch to your home or give as thoughtful gifts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, you've got this. I'm so excited to guide you through every step. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more cozy crochet projects. Let's get started. For round 1, we're starting with a magic ring. Make a magic ring and work 8 single crochets into it. That's 8 SC. Once you got them all in, pull the tail to close the ring nice and tight, then slip stitch to join. Amazing job, you've just set the foundation for your coaster. Tip, keep your tension even so the center stays flat. You're doing awesome already. Next up, round 2. Here, we're going to build some shape. For each stitch around, work 2 unfinished double crochets. That's where you yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, but stop there, then chain 3. Repeat this 8 times total. 2 unfinished DC, 3 each, times 8. Join with a slip stitch. Look at that, it's starting to take form. Tip, don't rush the unfinished DCs, take it slow to keep them neat. You're rocking this. For round 3, we're adding some texture with bobble stitches. In each chain 3 space from the last round, work a bobble stitch, chain 2, then another bobble stitch, followed by chain 3. Repeat this pattern 8 times, bobble stitch, they have 2 touch each, bobble stitch, 3 stitch, times 8 slip stitch to join. Wow, those baubles are so cute. You're making this coaster pop. Tip, push the baubles out to the right side for that puffy look. Great work. Moving on to round 4. This round adds a lovely edge. In each chain 3 space, work 5 double crochets, chain 2, then a single crochet, chain 2. Repeat this 8 times, 5 DC, 2 stitch, SC, 2 stitch times 8. Join with a slip stitch. Look how pretty it's getting, you're halfway there. Tip, keep your 5 double crochets snug together for a nice full arc. You've got this in the bag. For round 5, we're growing the coaster a bit more. Start with a double crochet increase. That's 2 DC in the same stitch. Then 3 double crochets, followed by another double crochet increase and chain 2. Repeat this 8 times. DC ink, 3 DC, DC ink, 2 chain times 8. Slip stitch to join. You're building such a stunning piece. Keep it up. Tip: make sure your increases are even to avoid any puckering. You're doing fantastic. Next, round 6. This is similar to the last round, but bigger. Work a double crochet increase, then 5 double crochets, another double crochet increase, and chain 2. Repeat this 8 times. If you saw DC ink, 5 DC, DC ink, 2 CH times 8. Join with a slip stitch. Your coaster is really shaping up now. You should be so proud. Tip: count your stitches to stay on track. You're almost there. Amazing effort. Finally, round 7, the finishing touch. This one's a bit different. Work a single crochet, skip 1 stitch, then make a shell of 5 double crochets in the next stitch, skip 1 stitch. Repeat this pattern 15 times. SC, skip 1, 5 DC, skip 1 times 15. Join with a slip stitch. Look at that gorgeous edge. You've just completed your coaster. Tip: space your shells evenly for a polished look. You nailed it. And there you have it, your very own handmade crochet coaster. Isn't it beautiful? You did an incredible job sticking with it, and I hope you're proud of what you've created. Use it to brighten up your space or gift it to someone special. If you love this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to crochet next. Happy hooking, and I'll see you in the next video.